Although Dolby Audio is one of the best options for audio enhancement, if your device didn't come with it, or you're seeking a free alternative, this open source software is quite effective for improving your device's audio quality. Software credits goes to the developers and its contributors. Support their work. Only use official site to download. Now download the installer and install FX Sound. Upon installation, the default sound output device will be selected automatically, but you can also change it manually. There are many presets to choose from, and you can also change the values to meet your specific needs. In the next steps, we will test music from our other channel, Sync King, where we upload copyright-free music and songs created with the help of AI. We make different type of music and even songs. Every color represent different genre or music type. Links will be given below. Feel free to explore our music channel. Our music is also uploaded in this site. Here you can hear the music and directly get MP3 file. Now, I will chat using text and let you enjoy the music.
Dark nights under neon skies, I fought battles with my eyes closed tight, chasing dreams through city lines, found my courage in the midnight light. From the shadows to the stars, I ran barefoot on broken glass, heard my heart beat like a distant car, left my fears in the darkest past. Rise from the ashes, flying high like a phoenix sings. Through the storm and lightning crashes, I'll be the king of forgotten things. Held my breath in a swirling tide, felt the weight pulling me below. But I surfaced with a burning pride, watched my spirit continue to grow. Whisper turned into roaring screams, hollow echoes now a vibrant whole. Built my palace from shattered dreams, stronger now I stand so tall. Rise from the ashes, flying high like a phoenix sings. Through the storm and lightning crashes, I'll be the king of forgotten things. In the stillness of the morning light, where the river flows and the birds take flight, I hear the whispers of the ancient trees, their stories carried softly on the breeze. In the twilight glow, where the stars align, I feel the heartbeat of the earth divine. With every rustle, every gentle sigh, nature sings a lullaby to the sky. Together we dance in the moonlit glow, hand in hand where the wildflowers grow. In harmony our spirits intertwine, a magical duet, your heart with mine. Through the
Thanks so much for your time. If you liked the video, please do subscribe. If you disliked it, please let us know in comments what we can improve. Have a good day!